Welcome to Module 4, Lesson 3, Engaging Practices. In this lesson, we'll explore strategies to motivate and inspire apprentices, enhancing their overall learning experience. As an apprenticeship ambassador, you serve as the catalyst that will promote participation, enthusiasm, and a deeper understanding for your students who enroll in registered apprenticeship programs. Now is the time to capture apprentices' interest and actively involve them in the learning process by using a constructivist approach. Now let's dig deeper into some ways you can engage your students. Active learning involves apprentices in the process of learning through activities and discussions, rather than passively receiving information. Registered apprenticeship programs can incorporate practical skills, collaborative projects, and real-world problem-solving exercises. For instance, apprentices can participate in hands-on workshops, group discussions, and role-playing scenarios. Implementing active learning techniques will ensure that students learn the importance of collaboration and receive a glimpse of what they can expect once they transition to the role of an apprentice. Gamification is another engaging practice that involves using game design elements in non-game contexts to motivate and engage apprentices. This can include point systems, leaderboards, and badges. Apprenticeship programs can use gamification to make training more interactive and rewarding. For example, apprentices can earn points for completing tasks, compete in skill challenges, and receive badges for their achievements. Incentivizing assigned tasks promotes healthy competition and helps build the self-confidence students will need to be successful in apprenticeship programs individually and collectively. Engagement is optimized through self-interest, and registered apprenticeship programs must align their practices to an apprentice's interest and needs. Thus, apprentice-centered learning allows more control over their learning. This approach encourages autonomy, critical thinking, and self-motivation. Apprenticeship programs can allow their apprentices to take the lead on projects, explore areas of interest, and set personal learning goals. Creating an environment of self-responsibility is key for an apprentice in developing their character and ability to preserve. The saying, "practice makes perfect," stands true today. By connecting learning to real-world applications, apprenticeship programs can provide opportunities for apprentices to work on real industry projects and interact with professionals in the field. This can include site visits, guest speakers, and internships. Nothing beats the opportunity for an apprentice to engage in real-world learning by doing the actual work. Students thrive when they are acknowledged for their efforts. Positive reinforcement simply involves recognizing and rewarding apprentices' achievements. This practice boosts motivation and encourages continued engagement. Apprenticeship programs can use praise, awards, and incentives to acknowledge an apprentice's success. For example, recognizing milestones, offering performance bonuses, and celebrating achievements with award ceremonies. Positive reinforcement does not take much to do and will lend itself along the way. By incorporating active learning, gamification, apprentice-centered approaches, real-world connections, and positive reinforcement, apprenticeship ambassadors and programs can create engaging learning environments that motivate and inspire apprentices. Thank you for participating in this module. With these practices, you are now equipped to meet the diverse needs of apprentices through innovative, inclusive, and engaging methods. Best of luck in your efforts to create a dynamic and supportive learning experience for all.